Rain blurs the world beyond Lena's window as she sits. A portrait of boredom amid her toys and books. A glimmer catches her eye, an old paintbrush with golden bristles. She draws a small red ball, and magic explodes as it pops off the page, showering golden dust. In the dim solitude of her room, Lena sits, the long shadows accentuating the easel before her. Despite her efforts, the brush remains stubbornly gray as she tries to paint a puppy, then a bicycle, then a rainbow. Why won't you work? Defeated, Lena slumps, her shoulders rounded, as she gazes at the inert brush with a sad look. I should have shared you. Beneath an ancient willow, Lena presents Tommy with a brush radiating an otherworldly glow, its bristles shimmering with untold potential. I have something special to show you, and I want to share it. With focused intensity, Lena and Tommy begin to paint, their shared strokes materializing a vibrant playground before their eyes. Tommy asks, "Want to try it together?" As their creation bursts into existence, the brush shines brilliantly, casting rainbows across the green, beckoning children to a world of laughter and play. Tommy exclaims, "See? Sharing really does make things better." Lena responds, "Way better."